This is the GlossyBox Barbie limited edition box. The contents in this box is worth 130 quid. Let's check it on out. Hi there guys, and welcome back to my channel, or just welcome if you are new here. Today's video is an unexpected one. I've come in today and I got this in the post. So it's from Glossy, but it's not the monthly box. It is one of the limited edition box, and it is the Barbie limited edition. So yeah, let's get it out of here. Just to be totally clear and transparent, I was gifted this box. I did not pay for this box. In return to do an unboxing on my channel to show you lovely lot what is in here. So check it out. If you have not already, if you want to hit that subscribe button, come on over and join my YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well. It'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, which I really hope that you do, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. It helps my channel out so much. Here is the box. I haven't looked on the website to see what's in this because I want the surprise when I open the box. But I have read this is worth £130. There's 11 products in here and 9 of them are full size and 2 of them are deluxe minis. This is £40 if you are not a subscriber. If you are a subscriber, it'll cost you £30. So if you have watched my unboxing video for August, or for any box really that I do, I have a link and I have a code, and if you use that code you get your first box for £10. So the £10 that you're saving on here, if you spend it on a normal subscription box and get this, you're getting the normal monthly box for free basically. But yeah, look at it, it's pink, I love it, love Barbie. But yeah, let's open it up and have a sneak peek. Inside the box, everything beautifully coordinated, just gives it that little extra touch. I love it. So this is the edit card. It has information on all the products that are in here, which is fab. I'll be referring to that throughout the video. Look at that shocking pink paper. It's actually really shocking pink, but the shocking bit isn't coming through on the camera, I don't think. But yeah, we have the matching ribbon. Let's open it. Not much of a sneaky peek because this is actually jam packed, but yeah, there's sort of a sneaky peek. Let's go through this one by one, see exactly what's in here. But from what I see so far, I'm trying not to look. From what I see so far, it's looking pretty good. So just quickly back to the edit card for a moment. Inside it has got a little note in here, so we'll just quickly give that a read. It just says, Barbie fans, we've got you. We bring you your very own glossy Barbie limited edition filled with 11 dream must-haves, all housed in a specially designed box. Both GlossyBox and Barbie have the same beliefs, and we want you, as a woman, to be uniquely you. As a woman, we are strong, support other women, and accept everyone for who they are. All these stunning products can help your shape and makeup look perfect for you. The first product I have to show you is this. So this is by the brand Skin Division. This is one of the full size products, and this is Lashed Up Mascara, a buildable flake free mascara that provides an incredible volume and super saturated length. The nylon fibre brush builds volume, coat and lashes from root to tip for a bold false lash look. The RRP for this is £14.99. I've never heard of this brand before, I don't think. No, I don't think I have actually. Oh, that's really cute packaging, baby pink packaging. Ooh, that brush is everything. That's everything I love in a brush. So here is the brush. So we have a rounded edge, which is just here, with spiky bristles, and then we have a straight edge here which is textured with teeny tiny little bristles, which is perfect, yes, for building volume and yes, getting that length. I can't wait to try that. I love trying mascaras. I've actually got a whole box of mascaras I need to start sorting out, but yeah, that's looking pretty cool to me. Look, number 2 we have is this. So this is by the brand Spectrum. Again, this is one of the full size products, and this is an A10 small fan brush. The feather soft bristles of a small fan brush will easily apply powder highlighter with soft focus finish. This multitasking brush can also be used to sweep away any product fall from under your eyes. The RRP for this is £6.99. So Spectrum do some amazing brushes, and what else is amazing is that they're also affordable, which is fantastic. They do some lovely design brushes as well. Let's have a look at this. So there it is. It actually feels really good quality, and yeah, that feels super soft. Wow, it's like it's gliding over and tickling. Really nice, and I love the colour of the bristles too. Very nice. The third item, we have this. So this is by the brand Bybi. This is again one of the full size products, and this is a night nutrition cream. Ooh, night nutrition cream is like a smoothie for your skin. The nutrient rich formula in this night moisturizer work while you sleep to repair, renew and strengthen your skin. You'll wake up to pillow soft, healthy, glowing complexion. That sounds amazing. The RRP for this is £26. Wow. Let's open this up. I've had one or two things from this brand now. I think, what was the last thing I received from this brand in one of the beauty boxes? I think it was a cleanser, I think, and it was beautiful, absolutely beautiful. So yeah, this is not sealed, so let's just whack a little bit on. So there, I've just popped a little bit on there. It doesn't smell of much, but that feels, oh, so good. Wow. And look at the glow on that. I don't know if that's picking up on camera, but that's got one hell of a glow. Wow, you can feel how moisturizing that is. That feels beautiful. Fourth product is this. So this is by the brand By Terry, and this is a deluxe size, and this is a Hydra Loose Powder. It says, meet your new best friend. The Hydra Loose Powder by Terry is a game changer. It mattifies and controls your shine, blurs imperfections, fills in lines and wrinkles, and sets makeup for longer. Your skin will be looking flawless and perfectly smooth. So because this is a deluxe mini, this one is worth £17. Wow. And if you were to get the full size product, that would be worth £42. But yeah, this is £17. I actually have received one of these a few months ago. I can't remember in what box. Amazing. I am so happy to get this. This is so finely milled. It's amazing. It's really weird, I've just started using it in the last few days, so this should be sealed. Yeah, it is. I'm gonna get the one that I've literally just opened a few days ago, and I'll show you. This is my open one. But yeah, there it is. I know you can't really tell much on the screen, but yeah, that's, as you can see, it's just mattified my hand there. But yeah, it's so nice. And what I like about this applicator as well, it's not like any of the other applicators that I've had. Normally them holes, you bang it and then some comes out. With this one, you just press it and you can see the product coming up through the holes. I think that's really good. But yeah, it's one of my favourite powders, and if I hadn't received these in beauty boxes, I unfortunately wouldn't be able to afford to use it. So super happy I've got a second one. So the fifth product I have is this. So this is by GlossyBox themselves. Glossy do their own skincare, and this was, by the looks of it, specially made for the Barbie box, the limited edition box. And this is a cleansing foam. Meet your new skin saviour with our gentle foaming cleanser. Designed for the most sensitive skins, but suitable for all skin types, this fragrance-free gentle foaming cleanser clears and refreshes by removing dirt and impurities without stripping the skin's moisture, and it has an RRP of £12. This is cool. I've tried a day moisturiser by GlossyBox before, but I've never tried anything else from them, so really happy to get this. So as you can see, it's like liquid inside, and then yeah, you'd press it and it comes out as a foam. I'm not going to do that because I will get that everywhere. I know exactly what I'm like. But yeah, really happy to get that. If it's anything like the moisturiser that I received, it's got to be awesome. Sixth item we have in the box is this. It's a motorbike driving by or whatever it is. This is by the brand Made by Mitchell, and it is blush. I've been wanting one of these for a while, so I'm super happy to get it, and it's called Sweet Cheeks. The unique and innovative liquid to powder blush allows you to apply colour under or over your makeup without separating the base makeup. Blush can be worn a sheer wash of colour on the cheeks, layered for a more intense effect, or even used as a liquid lip. The RRP for this is £14. I'm loving that packaging, that is absolutely great. So let's get in here. I'm presuming that Sweet Cheeks is the actual shade name. This packaging is so cool. Wow, this is pink. I may have even possibly put too much on, but let's just see what it's like. Oh my god, that's so pretty. That is gorgeous. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Look at that. I hope that's picking up on camera. That is absolutely gorgeous. Has that got like a little few shimmers in there too? But yeah. That is seriously cute. That from a distance looks like a natural flush, and definitely, yeah, layer that for a more intense look, but just as a natural flush, I'm impressed by that. Number 7 we have is this. So this is by the brand Karina. This is a full size item, and it just says this pink fluffy beauty sponge is perfect for blending out your face makeup. Dampen the sponge with water and squeeze until it's dampened, then blend away. This has an RRP of £8.50. I love my beauty sponges, absolutely love them. To think a couple of years ago I never used to use these, like who even was I? I can't live without it now. So yeah, really glad to get another one to add to my collection. That feels super soft, and I can only imagine adding water, that's going to get really big and extra squidgy. So yeah, cool. Obviously I approve of the colour. The 8th product we have is this. So this is by the brand We Are Paradox. This is the second deluxe size in the box, and it just says this is a 3-in-1 repair conditioner. This 99% natural mind-blowing multitasker works as a conditioner, a hair mask and a finishing cream. Conditions dry damaged hair, leaving it feeling smooth, soft and detangled. Smooths frizz and flyaways with Corrigine moss to condition and fortify the hair fibres. So this deluxe size is worth £7.50. If you were to buy the full size, that would be £20. But I say this is £7.50. I've actually used this mask and I've done a review on it. I will link that there if you want to go and check that out. But yeah, who doesn't love a hair mask? As I say, check that review out. Just remember, everybody's hair is different, and that's all I'm going to say on that. You'll have to check that review to see what my thoughts are on this. 9th item we have is this. So this is by the brand Rodial. Love Rodial. This is a full size item, and this is Pink Diamond Lifting Mask. Firm and illuminate your complexion with the Rodial Pink Diamond Mask. A single use biocellulose face mask inspired by the trend in sheet masks led by Korea that drives in nutrients and locks in vital moisture. This has an RRP of £12. And yeah, by the looks of it, it's a whole sheet mask. I just love sheet masks. I actually have a huge drawer of them. I'm gonna have to, now I'm getting more settled in my beauty room, I'm gonna have to start getting back into my Friday face mask series, because I need to start using them up. But you can really feel that mask in there. It feels really thick, so super excited to get that out and give it a go. Number 10 we have is this. So this is by the brand Soap and Glory. This is a full-size product, and this says Clean on Me. Fragranced with Soap of Glory's addictive signature scent and with its rich creamy texture, we're classifying Soap and Glory Clean on Me body wash with must-have status. Apply a handful of Soap and Glory Clean on Me body wash to damp skin. Rub in to a thick, luscious lather and then rinse. So let's have a look. So I'm a bit confused because on here it says it's a full size, but then it says deluxe mini 75 ml. This is 75 ml and it's worth £2.95. A full size is 500 ml, that would be £6.95. So on the description this says it should be a full size, and we've already had 2 deluxe minis, so I'm a bit confused. This is the third one. It's only advertising having 2 deluxe minis throughout the box, so that, yeah, that is really confusing. But let's give it a sniff. I love Soap and Glory, really affordable brand. It smells really nice, really nice. But surely that should have been a 500 ml, although I wouldn't know how they would fit it in the box, but still. The 11th and final item we have is this. So this is by the brand I Heart Revolution. This is a full-size product and it's Star of the Show highlighter in the shade Starstruck. It has an RRP of £6 and it just says, be the star of the show this holiday with 3 Stellate triple baked highlighters. Give them a reason to stay with a blindingly beautiful highlight. If you can't see it from space, you're not wearing enough is our mantra. That's actually really funny. Yeah, I have a highlighter. I got it in a mystery box that I bought. I will link that video here actually. It's a mystery box I bought on Etsy. Go check that out. The whole box is mystery and it's all a makeup box. I did a face of makeup with it. And yeah, I got a highlighter. I think it's a different shade, but it's absolutely gorgeous. Yeah, go and see that video. Go see it. So yeah, that is the packaging. Oh no, this is the same. This is the same shade. What am I on about? Where is it? The one I've just got in, and that is the one that I got in my Etsy box. I've been loving it, as you can see. Is that, what colour is that? Starstruck Star? Yeah, it is. It's exactly the same shade. Okay, well, I have a top up for when I run out of this one. But just to show you, I'll swatch this one. Guys, it's so nice. Look at it. It has like a pink hue on it. And yeah, it's just simply gorgeous. Yeah, really happy to get another one. This is the Barbie limited edition box. For non-subscribers this is £40. For subscribers it is £30. I will link everything down below in the information box and the comment box. Make sure to get it, guys. It's really good. What I would personally do if I wasn't subscribed, use my code down there. Definitely use that. You'll get your first monthly subscription box for a tenner. And then you'll get this for 30 and you'll be spending 40, which you would have spent in any way not being a subscriber. And yeah, you'll get yourself some extra treats that will be in the monthly box. But wow, what do you think? Personally, I'm actually really loving this box. Really loving it. The only downside that I can see is that it says that it's 9 full-size products and 2 deluxe size products, whereas as we've just discovered it's 3 deluxe minis and 8 full size, which is fine. Maybe they've just been a typing error on the website or something. But yeah, I think that's really cool, really cool. But yeah, it's worth £130. Let me know what you think, comment down below, but it definitely gets a thumbs up from me. But that concludes this video, so if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.